Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going over our new bundle effects suite pack that just dropped on our website. We have a lot more effects and plugins on our website, some free, some paid. So if you guys have any type of free time, just go check that out. But today we will be going over our effects bundle suite pack that just dropped, and it has 6 incredible effects that you can use every day in your Final Cut Pro workflow. Alright, so now let's get right into the video. So for our first effect that we have in our bundle pack is the glint light effect. So the B3 glint light effect. What I'm going to be doing here is I'm just going to take this one clip that I have and just show you guys all the effects that work on this single clip. So let's get started. Alright, for our glint light effect, whenever you download the bundle pack, you're going to see the glint light effect show up like this. And as you can see, there's stuff going on already in the clip. Things that the light casts on glows even more, if that makes sense. So when we drag this clip on, you can see that hazy kind of glowy effect going on here. You see the buttons on his jacket glowing a bit, lights back here glowing a bit, and as you can see, when we uncheck the glint light effect, those go away. So it's a great way to have like a dreamy kind of effect. You see his glasses shining a bit, and we can always bump the exposure up, or we can turn it down. It's just really up to you on what you want the film to look like. So as I play this back, it's nice right there. So yeah, that's one of the effects that's in the bundle suite. Now for our second effect, we have the sphere security camera effect. And this is a bit of an interesting effect. You can do a lot with this. You can get very creative with this. As you can see, he just turned into a sphere, and he's black and white, and we can make adjustments to this. If we go to our inspector panel, if you don't want it black and white, you can turn off the halftone right here, and that'll make it color. And if you want the sphere to be bigger, you can bump up the radius. If you want to be smaller, obviously, just put it down, but I'm going to bring it up a bit. And if you want it to move side to side, you can move it on the x-axis, up and down. You can move it on the y-axis. So let's give it a try on the y-axis. I'm going to add a keyframe to the beginning of my timeline, and once we get around the middle, I'm gonna bring it back down to about right here, and yeah, let's see what this looks like so far. Let me play it back. It's nice right there. Like I said, you can get creative with this however you want to. Any way you would want to do this stuff, you can do it. Turn the mix up. You can make it like this if you want. And yeah, you can do a lot with this. So this is the sphere security cam. So that's also in the bundle. Now our next effect is the overdrive effect. So as we apply this to our clip, you can see that it's already working. So basically what I'm going to do here is you can change the color of it. Leave it the same right now, but you can change the color. And basically it's going to be going into overdrive. as I bring it all the way up. So let's see how this looks here. It's pretty cool right there. Like I said, you can change the color on this. You can get real creative if you want. And that is the Overdrive plugin that's in the bundle pack. Now, let's move on to our next effect, which is the ring lens distortion. With this is kind of like a distortion effect that is very useful. Keyframe this, you can start your playhead at the top, keyframe the center, and keyframe really everything that you want to keyframe, and as it moves, you can adjust it to where it needs to be. Really simple. Just keyframe. You can even make the radius bigger, the thickness, refraction, everything. So as we play this back, let's see what this looks like. You can do all sorts of things with this. Continue to move it if you want. Completely out of the screen if you want. It's really up to you. So that's a pretty cool distortion effect that's very useful if you want your footage to be kind of like a trippy distortion type of effect, which is very useful. All right, for our next effect, we have the low shutter effect. And this effect is so awesome. I love this effect. This is one of my favorite effects. It just gives that delayed offset effect. Kind of gives that low shutter effect when your shutter speed is very low. I really love this effect. You can use it in so many different ways. And this is also in the bundle, so take advantage of that. Now, for our last and final effect, we have our outline flare effect. And this can be used in a lot of different ways as well, but I'm going to show you a unique way to use this. I'm going to push Option and drag up to create a duplicate. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a rough mask of him coming down the steps. Just a rough draw mask. All right, after I make my mask, I'm going to apply my outline flare effect. And as you can see, there's a flare going on around him. I'm gonna change the color to this. Give it that color. Can increase the width. And as I play this, I would have to keyframe the mask to make it really follow his body, but This is a really good plugin for not only you can use them as for text as well. For example, I'm going to give you say I write hello and add that to it, the outline flare to it. Really cool stuff here. You can turn it down if you want, if you think it's too much. You can turn down the distortion, outer glow, inner brightness. All this is adjustable. And yeah, those are all the effects in our bundle suite. You can find that in the description below. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully it helps you out, and we will be coming out with a lot more videos. So if this video helps you out, like and subscribe, because we will be coming out with a lot more content. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you guys soon.